Welcome to TinkerList for Sports. In TinkerList, you can create and organize content either in your sidebar by using folders, subfolders, and any structure you would want to create in here, or you can easily create all your content on the calendar. The advantage of creating content on the calendar is that for each and every day, you'll clearly see which scripts or rundowns you have for that day, as well as any other items, games, guests, and crew that you would need to schedule for that specific day. To add content to your calendar, simply click one of the plus buttons to create a card in that specific cell. As for the scripts here at the top in the calendar, these are linked to a script template, allowing you to easily and efficiently create new scripts on that specific day based on your template. The layout of your calendar can be customized by going in the menu and editing your segments. In the same menu, you have access to your script templates, so you can customize it to your specific needs. On the calendar and in different positions in your TinkerList project, you can also add these little colored icons called annotations. These can show you certain information about a card at a glance without needing to open the details of the card to find out what, for example, the status is of the card. From your calendar, you can then open your script. So let's take the very first one here as an example. In TinkerList, you can choose whether you see your script as a script view or rundown view, meaning that a script or rundown are one and the same document, just a different view on the document itself. If we switch to our script view, we see that we have a very nice and expanded overview of our script. We see all of our different types of cards, as well as all of the content available in our cards. If we collapse our script into a rundown in the top right, we now have a lot more compact of a view, but still easily recognizable which type of content it is, whether it's a live segment, a VT, a graphic, or anything else. From either the script or the rundown view, you can now add more information. If you go in the top left and click columns, we can add our timing information, such as estimated duration and from time. We can also choose from multiple notes columns, such as tag, audio, graphics, and more. Using the notes columns, we can now add specific types of notes to each card. So if I have specific audio notes for my opening link, I can go ahead and write them in here. Timings in TinkerList are very easy to use. TinkerList can calculate the duration of a card automatically for you. This can either be done depending on the amount of text in your card, or, for example, a video that you would upload into a VT card. In both examples, we can then calculate automatically for you how long the estimated duration of the card would be, but you can always click in here and overwrite it with your own custom value. In the next step, you can then also queue in TinkerList by adding your queuing column. This will give you these play buttons so you can start queuing through your show as you start your live show or recorded show, for example. At the very top of the script, we can add important information such as our on-air script time, off-air script time, and on-air duration. We will also be able to see what our under or overtime is for the script that we created in comparison to the show duration. So if, for example, we say that we go on air at 12:15 and we create a 45-minute show, then we see that we have 2 minutes and 37 seconds too much of content in our script. I can go in my script and adjust accordingly to get our timings closer to what we need. As we are queuing, we can clearly follow up how far into our show we are, how much is remaining until our off-air time, and which card we are currently queuing.